Hello everyone, welcome me into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a task tracker on the Google Sheet application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open the Google Sheet application and make sure that you already sign in with the correct account that you want to have, so that you will be the documents that you create later will be saved on the Google Drive with the account that you already signed in with in this Google Sheets. Okay, to create the task tracker, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that you just need to go click a choose template. In the choose template, you just need to go click this to-do list. And whenever you click it, now you already have this template with the checkbox, because sometimes the Google Sheet on your iPhone will not gonna have the tools to create the boxes here. So that to make it easier, you just need to go into the template to cut these boxes. So just go uncheck the boxes, and you just need to go change the dates. Just follow all of the format that already created by the template here, and you just need to change the date. For example, for this, let's change into the today's date, which is 1st November 2023, and after that you just need to go click done. And if you want to make it blank, you just need to block the cells that you want to delete the information on it, and after that you just need to click it and go click clear. And now for this, you just need to edit the information in these cells and fill with the informations that you need. For example, the first task is math, page 72 until 76, and after that you just need to go click this part, done. And here from to do, you can just go type the other information, which is task tracker. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. So here you already have the things to do, and whenever you already finish this task, you just need to check into these boxes, and means that you already finished the task. And that's the way how to create a task tracker on the Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.